Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of MEXC exchange. If you are looking for a platform that combines security, a user-friendly interface, and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, you've come to the right place. MEXC exchange has been gaining popularity among crypto enthusiasts due to its advanced trading features and accessibility. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, MEXC provides tools that cater to everyone's needs. From spot trading and futures to margin trading, MEXC offers a comprehensive suite that allows you to maximize your trading potential. One of the standout features of MEXC exchange is its low trading fees, which make it an attractive option for all traders. Additionally, MEXC supports numerous cryptocurrencies, offering you a diverse selection to trade. This enhances your investment opportunities and allows you to explore various digital assets. By using the link in the description and entering MEXC referral code 12K4M5, you will not only gain access to MEXC's incredible features, but also enjoy exclusive benefits. This includes discounts on trading fees and potentially earning bonuses on your trades. It's a fantastic way to make the most out of your trading experience. Moreover, MEXC frequently updates its platform with new features and enhancements, ensuring that you stay ahead in the ever-evolving crypto market. With their robust security measures and commitment to providing a safe trading environment, MEXC exchange is an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest or trade in cryptocurrencies. So, what are you waiting for? Join the ever-growing community of traders on MEXC exchange today. Don't forget to use MEXC referral code 12K4M5 to unlock your benefits and start your journey in the crypto world with an edge. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insights and updates on the crypto ecosystem. Happy trading!